Yeah, hello YouTube. Yeah, I'm working on changing the axle on my 2002 Saab 9.5. As you see, I already replaced the caliper and replacing the brake pads, removing the brake pads, and then okay, remove it. Oh, this is really tough. Ooh, this one was hard to get to. Well, this is the top one. The bottom one was really tough to get to. Okay, I think I need to get me an extension. So I could get to the top one. The top one, things is in the way. Okay, this is better. Ooh, damn, this is strong. Ooh, I thought that was strong. Yeah. So this is a E20. So wow, you know, I bought this car. I never realized that there will be so much work. So much work to get it running, you know. I bought it with a key. I had a key made, and then he had a rough idle. I cleaned the throttle body and put it back in together, and stuff like that. So all right, so I'm gonna use my impact to break the nut. So I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, I have a good investment. Okay, wait. The compact, makes things a little easier. So that's good. Need a hammer right now to bring it out. So I removed the axle from the rotor. Now I have to try to remove it from the transmission. So, okay. I'm gonna move on to the next step. All right. Yeah, so I'm changing my axle. Look how bad it looks. I don't know if anyone could see, but you could see it's really terrible. I see this is the reason why whoever owned this car before didn't want it. That's why they give it to the auction, and it was sold for $200 at the auction. So I'm working on it, trying to change the axle. I already replaced the one on the other side. So I'm gonna go to the other side, and it's not really hard. It just takes some time. and to pry. So here goes the other side. Well, I don't think anyone could see because it's dark in the. So I already completed this side, you know. So I'm gonna work on the other side, you know. So don't worry about my garage. My garage it's a mess. So yep. So that's it. I already removed the caliper. You know, it's right here. So I'm taking everything. The only good thing on this, you got good brake pads. You know, feel like. So, and I'm gonna fix this one. Let me see. The speed sensors was really corroded, dirty. I had the ABS lights and everything on, so everything was just grease or dirt everywhere. So I'm hoping when I replace the axle, the ABS fault goes away. I hope I don't have to replace the sensors. Anyway, this is my $200 car. I'm up to about $1,000 right now into the car with everything. So my budget was $1,000. Now I think it goes up to $1,500 to get it running. It's very close. It's very close off being a normal running car where I could get it smog. And all right, I'll get back to you. Yeah, now I get the ball joint out of the rotor. So now I just have to get it out of the tranny and install the new one and keep on moving on. I'm doing it myself, so I'm the video guy and the mechanic at the same time, so I only could wreck a piece at a time. So this car need a really good steaming with all the grease and everything, you know. So it's a project. The interesting thing, you know, I bought it for my son, but my son inside playing games. He said, well, what do you want me to do? You know, so I say, come learn something. But anyway, I'm still trying. 17, good kid. All right, know you're working hard. Still got a job, you know, so, and he's still involved in a lot of things, activities at school, so I don't mind doing it. Anyway, I love the project. Anyway, so, all right, next step. Yeah, I finally get the one from the passenger side out. This one was really hard to get out. It takes a lot of force and a lot of energy, but finally I got it out. So it's really, oh, they're really bad. Shit, whoever had this car never pay any attention to. Anyway, it's my little project, so I keep on going, trucking and trucking. It's 10:30. I'm gonna install it, and then tomorrow I'm gonna finish up with the brake pads and put back the road and everything back together. So it's a good sign, looking good, you know, working hard. Anyway, all right, get back to you. All right.